Hello there, I'm Kevin Ragland, and I wanted to show you an easy way to draw makeup. This is my character Monkey, an older picture of my character Monkey that I recolored just for this. She's from my comic Regeneration Girl, which there's links to in the description along with my other comics. So we're gonna use airbrush normal for this. I usually use airbrush for makeup, and we have it on black. And it's a different layer from her skin, but underneath the layer for her eyes so it won't go over her eyes. So we're going to start by doing a base layer to kind of get the general shape we want, which I usually do like the more wing-tipped makeup, as you can see. We get the base layer down, and then we start darkening up the areas that would have more shade to them, like under her eye, under the fold on her eyelid. And if you pay close attention to pictures of eyes, you'll notice that like most of the time, depending on the lighting, the corners of the eye are like darker than the middle. And then the middle has like a shine to it, like this. So that's usually what I do. And yeah, that's pretty much how I do makeup. It depends on like what type of makeup you want to do. Like there are different styles you can do, and you can even like go darker around the eye like this. Kind of blend the outline into the makeup more if you want to. That works too. And like I said, there are like different styles you can do. Like there are a few different makeup styles I like to do. Like my random go-tos. Like you can also do this, where you kind of like it kind of gets darker this way, and then lighter this way. Like let me show you. Shade under the fold, do darker over here, darker under her eye, and then it comes over here like that. And you can even go fancy with it and go like white and make this part white. And I've done stuff like this a lot. It's fun to play around with this stuff. Basically, I just look at pictures of women online and how they do makeup and just take inspiration from it. People have come up with some really cool makeup ideas, and I try to emulate it as best I can. And yeah, you could even do this with just another color. Like I've given her makeup. Monkey's color scheme is like red and black and white. So she's had like black makeup, white makeup, and red makeup. So if we take red, let's take this red, and we can just do the exact same thing, but with red. And obviously whatever color you choose is going to give it like a completely different flavor. And go under the eye fold. And you could even go fancier with it if you wanted to and add some highlights, depending on how you want to do it. Usually, depending on the lighting, the highlight will be more towards the middle of the eyelid like this. And the darker parts will be on the outer parts. But yeah, that's a very simple way to do makeup in digital art. I'm using Ibis Paint, but this will work in pretty much any drawing app that's like Ibis Paint. But yeah, check out Regeneration Girl, and hopefully this video was helpful, and if it wasn't, well, I guess I'll just go fuck myself.